Hello traders and welcome to the Market Open Preview on a Monday, beginning of our trading week, July 28th, 2014. Traders, great to be with you. This is brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders, a little bit of overcast skies here in Pattaya, Thailand as we come to you early on a Monday morning. And not looking too bad. I think it's going to be a nice day. It's a little cooler today, which is nice. Don't have to run that air conditioning. All right, traders, got a little bit to talk about today. Not much news on a Monday. As we know, Mondays could be pretty technical and slow. All right, traders, let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday. I'm your moderator through the Market Open Preview every day before the London Open. Also, we have the Friday wrap-up every Friday after the New York close. Traders, it's a pleasure to be with you. Traders, I started trading in the year of 2006. And in the year 2008, I retired from a wonderful career out of the Fire Rescue Department in the great state of Florida. Traders, 9 days later, came over to Thailand on a 3-month holiday celebrating my retirement. Figured I'd come check it out. The smart thing I did is I brought my 3 laptops with me, continuing to trade the Forex markets. Traders, it's 2014, and I'm still in Thailand, having a great time, living right on the beach in Pattaya. Traders, I love what I do. I love trading the Forex markets. I love looking at fundamentals. As I am a technical trader, I do listen and respect the fundamentals. Traders, just awesome to be here, and it's really great to be talking to you on a daily basis. Traders, let's get over to the risk disclaimer. We can talk about the news that's coming out. Traders, Forex trading has a large potential rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Traders, do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. It makes your trading absolutely miserable. Traders, always remember that past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. All right, traders, let's get over to the news events. Okay, so we had a lot of red at the close on Friday. The Dow 30 was down 0.72% in the red. The S&P also in the red at 0.48%. And the NASDAQ 100 is down 0.45%. Going across the pond, not any better, I have to tell you. The DAX closed down 1.53%. And the CAC 40 down 1.82%. Eurostoxx also down 1.59%. What is going on? Lots of red on the close of Friday. Could it be profit taken, position squaring, or are the markets tired of being bullish? All right, let's take a look at some things on the Asia side of the world where we are currently trading. So all of these that I'm going to talk about are active markets. And the Nikkei 225 is up 0.58%. The Shanghai is up 1.4%. 7%. The Hang Seng is up 0.69%. And the S&P ASX out of Sydney, Australia is barely just down at 0.01%. And to end this off, the Kospi is in the green at 0.51%. So that's what's going on that part of the trading world. Just a little bit of the indices as we get moving into our Monday. We only have one high-impact news event today, and that is out of the U.S. session, and that will be pending home sales. Traders, I looked through 2 economic calendars today, and I have to tell you, there's not much going on fundamental-wise, so we'll need to keep that in mind. All right, traders, it's Monday, and you know what Monday means to the charts. And what charts do we do on Monday? Every single Monday, the euro-dollar and the pound dollar. So let's hit it. Here is the euro dollar on the daily chart. Traders, is there much to say about this? Absolutely bearish. It's been bearish for a very, very long time, and I am only looking to take these trading opportunities to the downside. Look at how far away price is from the 200 exponential moving average at 1.3623. Absolutely beautiful. So you know what this means? A lot of Fibonacci today on the 60 and 15-minute chart. Okay, here's the 60-minute chart. We're in a great spot right here. I have to be honest. We are in a great spot right here. The problem is I'm doing this presentation in Asia, and we are 4 hours before the London Open. We can only hope that this stays sideways until we can get some direction at the London Open and see if we can get this and get us a nice bearish candlestick formation and take this down. I am liking that all the candles, except for the current hourly candle, are all indecision candles, which to me says the bulls are running out of steam and the bears are ready to take off for a new week to the downside. Traders, remember, we're not looking for a lot of pips today. It's a Monday. Mondays, well, in my situation, I checked my trader's log, and Monday is my worst trading day. So I'm not aggressive in entering into currency pair trading unless I'm really sure that we have a direction and some confirmation. But we are at a spot here at 1.3433 to take this pair to the downside, and we're only looking to go to 34.20. So, we're looking for 20 pips, 18 pips, and we're going to get the heck out of this one and take our profits. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart, which I have to tell you, doesn't look much different. We're again at a great spot. We're coming up on that 38.2 fib at 1.3433. And you know what? Let's take this short. If we get an opportunity to take it short now, if we went to London Open, I'd say get in it. Notice where I placed my stop loss at 1.3439. I did that because I looked left of the chart, and left of the chart showed at this 50% fib that it was respected both on the support side and the resistance side. And I said, you know what? If price gets to that level and goes above it, we are just wrong in the trade for today and get out, okay? And we're looking for a take profit area of 34.21. And I like my 20s and 80s, always great spots to get in and out. Check out where the 200 exponential moving average is at 34.50. Nice. Far away from price, but if this gets bullish, that's where we're heading for. All right, that's it for the euro dollar. So basically we're bearish. There's nothing more to say. We're going to stay bearish. All right, let's head over to the pound dollar. Wow, what has the pound done? Well, the pound has changed my mind, and now I am bearish in the pound. And I know you are all shocked to hear me say that, because I've been bullish in this pound for months. And I have to tell you, we're in a bearish mode here. This has proven itself. We are at support, I have to tell you, at this 69.56 area, 69.55 area. This is pretty good support, and we'll see if this can pop through it today. But as of right now, I've got to say, this, I call it like a half moon operation here. And somebody said years ago that this was an old man easing into a hot bath. And this just looks like this just wants to continue to the downside. I don't see any reason that it should not. And traders, this comes down to dollar strength. The dollar is very strong. As we looked last week at the dollar index, the dollar is just strong, and I think that is ruling the party at the moment. All right, let's take a look at a 1 hour chart, and this is a 60-minute chart. Okay, so here we are. Again, we are at the spot where we want to take this short. The issue is the last 2 hours, we don't like those candles. And I took this screenshot maybe 15 minutes ago. So this is actually the current candle when I took the screenshot. Because looking at my clock, we've got 14 minutes till the top of the hour. So we are fine in this. So we're looking, for a bearish candlestick formation, but I'm sure not going to do anything until the London Open and we get some confirmation that this is bearish. And I have to tell you, I know you're shocked that I'm saying I think it's bearish, but I think it's bearish. Look at this chart. Sit back, look at this chart spatially, and you can see this thing is just to the downside. So you know what? We have to trade what's in front of us, and let's take advantage of the downtrend. All right, and we're looking to take profit at 69.60. So again, we're only looking at 20 pips, 18 pips. We're getting out of these trades, traders. We're not hanging in here for 40 and 50 pips. The market is just not that kind of a market now, so we want to get out as soon as possible. All right, traders, let's head over to the 15-minute chart. Here's our 15-minute chart. Same situation. We're in the spot to take this bearish. However, we are 4 hours before the London Open, and I'm not willing to jump in this at this point, being it's a Monday. and we need to find some confirmation. But nice trade setup. We're going to get in about 69.80, 69.75, somewhere in that area. I'm going to take this down to 69.63. Again, we're only looking at, that's trade, we're only looking at like 17 pips, 18 pips. That's okay. We've got to respect the charts, respect technical analysis, and, do we really want to go below 69.63? Look left of the chart. That is massive, massive support there. It's been reacted a lot, so we're going to get the heck out of there. Nice on the 200 exponential moving average at 1.6993, looking good. We're far away from price. You see where the stop is at 69.88. Folks, you don't have to wait for it to get to the stop. If it gets above that 61.8, man, get out, because we're apparently wrong in our direction, and the market decided not to play with us today. All right, that wraps up our two currency pairs. As usual, on a Monday, it's the euro dollar and the pound dollar. Traders, thank you so much for being with me today. It's a Monday. It's the beginning of a new trading week. I'm excited to be here. And this is brought to you by FXCL. FXCL Excellence in Trading. And on behalf of myself, William Gilday, and FXCL, thanks again, and we will see you tomorrow before the London Open. Traders, have a great trading day, and we'll talk to you later. Remember, trade smart and not hard. Take care. Bye-bye.